Hi, everybody. Today, going to be talking about making informative videos. And so these are, short, usually videos that you might want to post to YouTube or other social media that explain some sort of concept or something like that. And so we're going to be using informative videos to help share about our product and what you all are working on this summer. So I thought it'd be good to show you exactly how to do that. It's pretty simple. First thing you're going to need is just a plan. So make sure you've got your lab notebook. You've got kind of a plan for what you want to talk about. So I've got a plan for this recording. And so once you've got your plan, the next thing you're going to do, let me share my screen so you can see what I'm doing. After you've got your plan, you're going to want to open up a new Google Meet. And the easiest way to do this is just go to meet.google.com. And we're going to say join or start a meeting. So I can give this whatever name I want. Maybe this is informational video. And I'm going to continue this set up so that. So I'm going to join this Google Meet, and I'm going to be the only one in here. So usually, we use these to communicate with one another, but really Google Meet is also a nice way to make an informative video. I mean, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm actually using a separate Google Meet to record this. And so to record your Google Meet is pretty easy. Down the bottom right, there are these 3 dots. You're going to press on those, and you're going to press record meeting. I don't know if it's going to let me record 2 meetings at the same time. Maybe it will. But you're going to start recording. We'll see if this actually lets me record 2 Google Meets at the same time. But now, once this starts recording, you're going to start talking. You're going to start explaining. Maybe you're going to start showing people, what you've been working on. Maybe you are going to explain something that's online. So you might need to use the present now. Oh, yeah. See? It's actually going to be recording a session within another recording. So once it starts recording, you start talking. You follow your plan. You tell people what it is that you're trying to explain about, what you did or what you're making or the product that we're launching. And then once you get done, to stop recording, the easiest way is just to close out. So if you press X, that will close you out of the Google Meet. Now what's going to happen is you're going to be like, oh, what happened to my meeting? Where's my recording at? Well, what's going on is Google in the background is processing that video. And once that video gets processed, it's going to get stored on your Google Drive, and then you're going to get an email. And so this is what the email is going to look like. It's really just going to say Meet Recordings, and it's going to send you a link to that recording. So here's one that I did earlier. Now, what we want to do is we want to share this recording with other people. So we're actually going to post this video to YouTube. If you want just to share it with a couple other people, you certainly could open it in your Drive and change the sharing settings. But if we want to share this with a large group of people, maybe we want to present this to our entire community, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to press the download button. And so that's going to download this video onto your computer. It's going to get saved into your downloads folder. And then you can then upload that to your YouTube channel. And so I don't think, some of you may have already started your own YouTube channel with your @louisvilleresearch.org emails. But if you haven't, it should be pretty easy. You're going to go to YouTube. Up here on this right, you might already be signed in to your right account. I'm going to say switch accounts. And I'm actually going to add an account here. Let's just add in. Let's just try this one because I don't think I've created a YouTube channel with this account yet. All right. So what I'm going to do is once I'm signed into my account, I'm going to go up to the create. I'm going to say upload video. It says your creator journey is just beginning. All right, let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and use my name. I'm going to actually create a channel based on my name. That's fine. All right. I don't think I need any of this stuff. Let's just go set up later. Now I've got my own YouTube channel. And so this is where I'm going to be uploading videos to. So I'm going to press upload video. You can always go up to the top right here, click on that plus icon. This is not what I want. I want to upload videos. I don't want to learn more. All right, select files. So I'm going to go select files. I'm going to open up my downloads folder. I'm going to find the video that I just downloaded. I didn't actually just download any videos. Let's see if there are any just sitting in my downloads folder. They're just gonna assume that there's one sitting here. You're gonna double click on it, and you're going to basically set a couple of the settings inside of here. Let's just actually do it. Let's find a video. All right, let's see here. This would be Meet. Let's say recordings. See if we can downloads. See if we can find one of my old ones. PNGs, STLs. Here we go, MP4. There we go. There's one. Let's upload this. So it's going to ask me for a title. So it's going to be title of my informational video. And then it's going to ask you down here, you kind of have to scroll down and say, no, it's not made for kids. So we are not targeting any of these for kids. And so you're going to press next. It's going to ask about the video elements. We really don't care about any of those. If you want to, you can change any of these settings. And this is really the important one here. This is the visibility. Do we want everyone to see it? So if it's something that we don't care, if we want to share with the entire world, we can set it to public. If it's something that we just want to share with, say, a small group of people, we're going to set it to private. So I'm going to set mine to private. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to copy the video link. I'm going to press save. And I can close out. So this video is processing. Once this gets done processing, it's going to get uploaded and saved onto Google. I can then email anybody else that I want. So maybe I want to compose an email to my teacher. And I can send my teacher, maybe I'll just send it to myself actually. Here's the link to my informational video. So now that it's on YouTube, anyone, and I have it set for private, I can share this link and people with this link can see it. If I have it set to public, then anyone can find it and view it on YouTube. So I can send that off, and that's basically it. That's the gist of how to use Google Meet in order to create your own informative video, how to download that video, upload it to YouTube so that we can share it with the world. Obviously, maybe you just want to download it and upload it to Google Classroom or some other assignment. It all just depends on what you want to do with that video. So good luck, and I'm sure you're going to do great.